Yo, what is good, guys? How's it going? How's everybody doing? Yo, Big Deeds, Young Victor, Powell, Steve. Yo, here we go. Good afternoon, Anna. How you doing? Just give me one moment. Just disconnect from my speaker. Turn it off. This is so annoying. Laura, let's get it. How's it going? Nice to see you here again. Charlie, hello. Steve, I'm doing good, thank you. How are you? Sean Jackson, morning. How's it going? Abby, Growfix, Dan, Gustavo, Casper, Culper, Neil. Let's go. Another W. Let's get it. 4 for 4 today. We're 4 for 4 today. Four for 4 this week, sorry, not today. 1 for 1 today. We took one trade in the chat, in the private chat. 1 W. I bought this case for like £5 and it's absolutely rubbish. Get rid of that. 10 City, hello. Let's fucking go. JK. Shah, hello. Juan, hello. Johnny, good afternoon. Hey Zeng, how's it going? Yo, Melvin, nice to see you here. Elizabeth, how's it going? Let's see who's on TikTok as well, guys. Let's see who is on TikTok. Let's just go on the charts here. So we did take a trade on GBP JPY this morning. I'm going to put this right here in front of you so you can see how it played out, how he got in and stuff, and you can study it if you want. Big Deeds, let's get it. Growth, what do you think about the fair value up in Euro USD? Give me a moment, please. Janice, Abrima, Damien, Asif, Big Deeds, like up the stream, normal YouTube business. Yes, sir, you know it. Ruben, Cruz, like up the stream, guys. They're telling you to like up the stream. Let's get the stream likes up, guys. Let's catch another dub today, okay? Give us 1 second just to make sure TikTok's all running smoothly. And it is. Who's in the TikTok chat? We got Daniel FX, Wild, YVM, Tony, Snazzy, NTA, Motorsport, Melvin. We got 2 Melvins now. We got Andrew, J9 Futures, NTA Motorsport. Nice to see you all here. How's it going, guys? Like up the stream if you haven't already, guys. We're going to get started with 4 for 4 this week. 4 trades, 4 wins. But you see the bias live, or you see the bias on my YouTube videos for free. Do the bias for free, the entry, the exit, the journaling live in front of the private Discord or in front of obviously the YouTube stream, the TikTok stream, and you see pretty much 99% of everything. You can see if we look at the journal here, we are 4 for 4 this week. These are the 4 trades we took. We're up 2.85% this week. Few like half TPs yesterday. Today we got a nice full TP hit, as you can see with the Discord. We all caught this in the private chat. Let's get it. I am Melvin B. Hey Ruben, World Rain, USD JPY. We will look at that in a sec. Shah, Mike, Benson, Asif, Adam, Alexander. How's it going, guys? Let's get it. We're going to catch another fat dub today. We'll see how it goes. But this is the trade I took this morning. We basically invest this fair value up here, but there's unmitigated ones. So when there's unmitigated ones, you kind of don't really want to trade it, especially when it's like this. So you wait for that retracement. So we push down, inverse this, retrace to the fair value gap, respect it. Not only do we respect it, but we also form an IFVG right here with no unmitigated fair value gaps between that and the low. So we push straight down to the low. Plus we also had equal lows right here, which we had to come and take out. And we did that and took the other low at the same time. I was in this trade for literally like 15 minutes, I think it was. I think our entry was over here. It wasn't there. And our stop loss was above here. I was showing some guy, it's down here, right? I was showing some guy the trade. This is the trade. This is the entry here. I think you might be able to see it on TikTok. this. This is what we took. This was the before, and this was the after. Literally took like 15 minutes. So we're up today, but let's not focus on that. Let's look at another trade, okay? So we're going to look at GBP JPY, we're going to look at gold, Bitcoin, obviously, and then we will also make our way to other pairs if you guys request what you want to see, and I will look at it for you. But right now, it's a little bit messy here on GJ at the moment. We took out this low. So then we retraced, took out the high, retraced, and now we've just melted down. Now, for the AMD people, the people who do trade AMD as well, will be able to see this, and I think a few people in the Discord caught this as well. Got a nice accumulation here. So we have a nice accumulation. This means it's manipulation down. We're manipulating to the downside, leaving behind fair value gaps. If we go to the 30-minute, I think there's two, to be fair. So this is why it's a little bit messy, but if we focus on this one, we'd want price to inverse this. This is what we'd want to inverse. And the reason I'm using the 30-minute, guys, and not anything else, is because on the 15-minute time frame, there's like two back-to-back here. Literally, there's one right here, and there's also one right here as well. So when there's two back-to-back and you're using it for your entry, so you go, if we're going to trade an IFVG, guys, we'd have one right here, yeah? We'd have one right here. But the issue is, there's this unmitigated one right here, which we could just end up respecting and then continuing down and then losing the trade. So to avoid getting caught in something like that, when there's two or three or whatever there is, when there's multiple of them back to back, all you have to do is go up a time frame until there's just one. And we would do that, but this is the only time frame where there's really a bit more of a cleaner fair value gap. So we push down on the 30-minute. We've left behind this fair value gap and this one as well. We're going to look to inverse this and then see where we are, see what it looks like, see what could play out. We could take an entry on the 5, but we'd want to see a consolidation again. So we'll see how it goes. But right now, we've manipulated to the downside. We're looking for buys on GJ here. You know, we took out all these lows. We need that retracement. And hopefully in the retracement, we inverse the fair value gap we formed on the way down. So buys on GJ makes sense. We're going to mess around. You know, we will wait and see what's there as it shows. But now we're going to move on to Bitcoin very, very quickly. Now, Bitcoin is just an absolute mess at the moment. As you can see, we're just floating in this box here. Just been absolutely crazy. Like, this is the worst consolidation we've had in a while, I think. You know, at least, 6 months now since we've had something like this. Hopefully we can manipulate down. I think if we move down first, it's probably a better sign than moving up first, because then we can just do this. Nice AMD on the daily there. And that would, you know, help a lot of us. But there is that LTA, to be fair. But it's also got fair value gaps in between where we might find a resistance. What do you think about the fair value gap on Euro USD? Gustavo? Awesome. I saw that. Okay. So on the 4 hour, on Bitcoin, it's just so messy here. We're going to have to use the 1 hour and kind of ping pong between. We've just respected a bullish fair value gap here, so we can expect price to continue and take the highs. If we go down to the 15-minute time frame, we are consolidating, so we could look for a manipulation to the upside. There's no IFVGs though. Let's just draw this high out. So what we'd really want to see here, suppose this could also be the distribution move, and it is the distribution move, my mistake. You can see this right here, clear as day. You know, with the manipulation, etc. We form that fair value gap here. If we zoom in, this is like an A+ setup. This is exactly what we'd want to see. Get this fair value gap right here. Inverse it, so we continue up, and we should pretty much come up to the highs now. So on Bitcoin, there's nothing here at the moment. There is not much at all. Let's have a look at gold. Let's make our way to gold. Let's just see the 5. To be fair, we could be taking an entry on gold in the next 3 minutes, so we got to get this analysis done quickly. If we can get this analysis done in in like 2 minutes on gold. This is the thing. The bias on gold's bearish, but there's a setup there which is bullish. You see, we just take out this high here. Got to come down to a fair value gap, which it looks like we're trying to form here. So if we go down to the 4 hour, we've just respected a fair value gap, then pushed up and took out that high. Nice head and shoulder pattern here. So we spoke about this yesterday, I think, as well, didn't we? We spoke about this yesterday. But we've pushed up, you know, we're pushing up. We've took out that high now, so we use the 1 hour. And we've inversed the fair value gap on the 1 hour, so we should come out and take the low. You see this here, there's 2 fair value gaps that we've inversed. So we should come down and take the low out, which is right here. So I guess we need that retracement, but then we've retraced to the top half of the fair value gap, which we've respected. Very, very, very messy here. Very messy on the 15. It's just very messy. And there is this unmitigated imbalance right here. No bottom wick on the 5. Let's see if we tap this fair value gap and then close like down here, we're not going to take it at all. If we can just kind of get a push back down to here, then we might take it. Okay, we might take it, but it's not looking good at all, to be fair. The only thing that's looking good is literally just the 5. But if we tap that fair value gap, like there you go, it's pretty much a lose-lose from here, I guess, because we go, where do our stops go? Like what, down here? And then we push up. Oh yes. One of the guys I'm working with just won a 50k funded. Like he just got funded 50k. How do I show you this? Can you see that? No? Come on. So let me show you. He just messaged me then. He's now funded with a 50k. Nice work. Are you watching, Johnny? Are you here? Nice work, Johnny. There you go, guys. That's just proof it works. That's his like 4th account now that he's passed, or 3rd account that he's passed now, I think. Nice work, Dan. Caught one on UJ at half 1. SMT followed by bearish fair value gap retested and entered. Bearish on gold these next 2 days. I don't know why it would be the next 2 days. Definitely tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Johnny Pinpin? Nah, Johnny, I think it's Johnny Sanders. He's got the course. Johnny Sander. I think his name's Johnny Sander on the Discord. He doesn't talk much in the Discord, but he's a cool guy. He's been trying for a while now. That's cool. When he sends me a certificate, he just sent me his account balance. Then he's made the 6. I think he trades futures. He's on an Apex. He's on 53.7k. So when he sends me the certificate that they send him in the email, I'll tag him in the Discord for you. This is what I mean, guys. You know what I mean? There's someone else I'm working with who's got 3 or 4th on the Apex now. I have to get the certificates off them. And there's Johnny as well. I don't know, his 3rd or 4th one. Anyway, back to the trades. I don't really think there's much here. Like, we've just respected this. Exactly what I wanted to see. Not what exactly what I didn't want to see happened. So we might just continue down now because technically we've respected this fair value gap right here. So it's not worth it. I think maybe if we close above, we could take it, but I don't know. What does the 15 say? To be fair though, we've just respected a 1 minute and inversed a 1 minute as well. We might actually take this, guys. I might actually take this. See, that's the thing. Where's my entry? Literally 1-to-1 with the stop down here. That was a bit of an impulsive trade, I can't lie. But the setup looks good. Right, so we're going to manage here. We're going to manage here as well. Let's inverse this fair value gap in the 5. Come on. Inverse this. Come on. Love you, Scouse accent. Right, so we closed inside that now. Let's push up through this. I'm in this. I am in this. Gonna manage here. And obviously full TP here. So 1-to-1. Let's journal the trade whilst we wait. So it is the 19th, obviously. It's on gold, actually. This is bearish, I can't lie. Pretty impulsive trade, but the 5 minute looks good. So we'll finish that off when it plays out. There is a fair value up here which gives us a bit of security. Here we are. Come on. Okay, so we're managing the trade now. I'm not too sure how I want to manage this. Like, I can just do this, I guess, but is it even worth it? We're going to close 25% and adjust stops. Pretty difficult one to manage because you'd have to use the 1 minute, I guess. We can't really go one break even on the 1 minute yet. Equal highs though. I can't really do anything about them full stop. But they aren't bad. I think I can make them worse. Yeah, we took that high out now. We're retracing to this fair value gap. I guess if we inverse this imbalance here, I'm going to close the trade. If we inverse that, I'm going to close the trade. Looks like we might be respecting it, this candle. Now we need to push up and take out the high again. Come on, take out the highs. Look, wait there. I think I might be able to show you. I just set it to YouTube. Like YouTube do it. Like they do it for me. I don't control it. I guess I can turn it off, I guess. But it's just balanced. Let YouTube insert mid-rolls for you, / in brackets, sorry, recommended. Choose your ad frequency, balanced. See? I think this doesn't show too much. Like I think if I click, would you rather this, Melvin? There you go. Let's do this instead. Let's make it better. Let's schedule them every 6 minutes. We'll do them every 6 minutes for you, okay, Melvin? How's that sound? Every 6 minutes we'll do an advert. And I'll make back my loss if I lose a trade. No, I'm only messing. Oh, we are. Yeah. We pushing up. Let's go. We're break even now, guys. 0.2% prof secured already. Let's get it. Where is it? No, I'm not. Yeah, man. I appreciate you, JK. It's not over yet, though. We are in profits, but it's not over yet. Hopefully we can get a full TP. It's very volatile. We just took out these highs. Looks like we're finding resistance here, but we may push. We may push. Let's see how it goes. Well, one thing is for certain, we can definitely put a W here now, so we're on like a nice little winning streak there. On GBP JPY, no, this is gold. The reason we're break even now as well, guys, is because we have this low here now to kind of like protect us. Sell incoming. Yeah, it looks like it. That might have been just a stop hunt. But we got our prof, we're break even. It's literally risk free for us. It's a small win, but it's a win. We got it. Oh, sorry, Damien. Yes, we probably will. Just let's see how this trade plays out first. Are you in a buy? Yes, sir. Oh wow, we're at 98 viewers. I didn't even realise. Let's get a team. Are we at 100? We should be at 100 now. Like up the stream if you haven't already, guys. Like up the stream. It's nice to see so many people here. I'm live every single day doing this. You see the bias for free, you see the entry for free, you see the management for free, you see the exit for free, and you see me journal the trade. And you also get access to the entire journal. Like there's even just people chilling here. Oh, there you go. You heard that noise then. That's me took out. We made a nice prof. Little prof. Nothing worth celebrating. All in the journal now. Was against the bias though. That was against the bias, can't lie. Shouldn't have took that. Like, I trusted the setup still obviously, but the second I took it I knew, like, literally it was impulsive. Like, well, still, we still had the analysis there. Don't get me wrong. I just call you coach. Good to see the growth. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I remember a few months ago, it was just like 10, 20 people here. Come a long way. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Yeah, exactly. Just 12 of us. Right, so that's that trade done, A little bit. It's not worth salarying really, but I guess it adds to it. We'll leave that there. Let's go to GJ. Let's go check GJ out. Has it started consolidating yet? It just seems to still be pushing down. There's honestly not much we can do here, guys. Like, we need a consolidation and a proper entry. Daily hanging on the discount zone. Oh wow, yeah, it is. It is as well. And it's melting, but we can't do anything about this, guys. It's better to catch the big move rather than trying to catch the continuation. If you miss the big move, just don't miss the next one. Don't try and catch the continuation. GU, not much. EU, very messy. Very messy here. What's a 30 minute? No. USD Swiss franc. Ooh, we could take our first ever trade on USD Swiss franc today. Like my first one in I don't know how many months, like at least a year maybe. Definitely at least a year. What does the daily say? The daily's bullish. The daily is bullish back towards this flag up here. After closing above here. So we got a nice daily bullish there. The 4 hour is bullish as well. Right now we're respecting this fair value up right here after taking out the high. Therefore we should come up and take out this high again. If we go down to, if we go down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is bullish as well, back towards this fair value up right here, because we inversed these fair value ups, we took out the low, therefore we need to retrace back to an imbalance. Got a 15 minute. Got a 5 minute. So if the 15 minute inverses this fair value up, we can take a buy, but I guess it's not really worth it. We respected this one. The 1 minute's just pumping. But this could be good. This could be good. This could be good. We'll see how it goes. Maybe something here. There may be something here. We got the bias on daily 4 hour, 1 hour. The only issue that I'm seeing here is if we inverse this fair value gap, like let's just take a step back. So the 1 hour is bullish because it's got to come back towards this fair value gap right here, yeah? This is why the 1 hour is bullish. So if the 15 minute closes right here, then we will have a fair value gap right above it, which we could just tap into and bounce straight back off of on the 1 hour. So that's the only issue that I'm seeing with this trade, is that if we inverse this, we're too close to the 1 hour, but we could just take it. It's really, it is a good setup. Like there is a lot going for this, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. See if it gives us the setup we need, the entry we need. Like up the stream if you haven't already, guys. Click share, click copy link. Dexter said, please can I get a copy of your trade journal? Yes, you can. If you go to my Discord server, there's a chat called Stream Journal, and you go on there, you click file, and you click make a copy. Are you in long or short? I'm in neither. Someone's just gifted me. Thank you to whoever's... Thank you for the rose. I am trader. I really appreciate that. It's not necessary, but I appreciate that. Wait to invest the 1 hour. That's a smart move. That could be the move, to be fair. Jeez, look. Straight after I said buys could be the move, we melt down. GJ looks like it's retracing. GJ is retracing. There we go. Could be onto something now. I think we'd need to... Where's the fair value up? We'd need to invest this, but then there's all these unmitigated ones right here. Like the entry we took before, the same issue as that. Like the one we took on GJ this morning, the exact same issue as that. We've got all these unmitigated fair value gaps that we could just randomly pick one to bounce off of, and we'd be in a mess if we assume it's going to disrespect them. You have another fair value up in USD Swiss franc, or am I wrong? What do you mean, growth? What do you mean? What do you mean? Another one where? Candle at 8 on the 1 hour. Yeah, there is this one that we inversed. So we came down to the low. Please repeat how we copy your trade. No. I don't really advise copying trades. When I first started trading, I lost 4.5 grand that I'd saved up just from that. Why is my live stream stopped on TikTok? Why is my live stream stopped on TikTok? Oh, the Wi-Fi, isn't it? Why is my live stream stopped on TikTok? Because I'm not sure on YouTube. That's right. That is right. I don't want to mess up my stream that I'm on. Why is this? It might be because I've shown this. This live isn't available due to a violation of community guidelines. Who's reporting me? What did I even do? How annoying. Well, we'll leave that. We'll come back to it tomorrow. That's annoying. I didn't realise I could download my streams though. That's really good for me. Because I can repurpose it. Let me write that down actually. What an L. What an L. Right then, anyway. Let's get it. Let's see what's going on here. So, F the haters. And my live stream keeps saying reconnecting as well. It might be it's obviously not my internet, it's community guidelines, but yeah, I'm trying to cope there a little bit. What are we doing on gold then? Did we? Okay, that looked like it was the right thing then to get out there. Bitcoin, there's not much at all now, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, if we're going to take a trade on GJ, we're going to have to see this whole hour just pushing up and versing this fair value gap. Oh, US Swiss franc. Bit of action here. Let's see how this goes. We've got 1 minute left. We could take the entry if we push up enough. If this doesn't play out, if this candle doesn't push up here, I'm going to finish the stream. Honestly, there's not much here, so. We've made our prof. There's not much else to do now. All the markets are dead slow. Like, there's not even, you've seen it, there's not even a setup here. If there was a setup, I would look at taking it, but there isn't one. There's not much here. Let's get it, guys. We're going to hop off now. We're going to hop off. There's not much here at all. We took a trade. It won, you know, it won. We got basically break even though. It won. We did all right. We're on a nice little streak now. We're on how many trades is this? 6 trade win streak. So if we get one more, we get to that 80% win rate mark. Doing nicely. This week so far, we're up 3.3%. Oh wait, no. This week so far, we're up 3%, which is not bad at all. There's a few scalps in there, basically, you know, like with these partials and stuff. But 5 trades this week, 5 for 5. Yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. I never trade the Nasdaq, William Marriott. I never trade the Nasdaq. But that's me done, guys. Like, there's not much else to do here. If you want to get the journal, go to the free Discord. If you're not in the free Discord already, there's a free course in there teaching you how to trade like this, giving you the basics of how I trade. But make sure I see you tomorrow. I'm going to schedule a stream in just a sec. Literally, right after the stream ends, I'm going to schedule a new one. I want you to go click that, click the bell on it so you get notified exactly when I go live. I trade live at the same time every single day, completely for free, with the bias for free, the trade for free, the journal, the entry, everything for free. I'll see you in tomorrow's stream. We'll catch another dub, hopefully go 6 for 6 or 7 for 7 if we take another trade tomorrow morning. But that's me done, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your time, and have a good rest of your day. Don't force any trades. Don't force anything stupid. Make sure you journal all your trades. If you can't see any trades, maybe just review your journal instead. That's me done, guys. Thanks for your time.